Hey guys, it's Jay from the Saber Workshop again. I wanted to go over um, our what I'm calling the TSW voice and font pack. So what I've done is I've created a voice pack for Sabers, and that is specific to us. So some other companies do this. I believe Crimson Dawn does it, and there's one or two other ones who also have custom menus and configurations made for their servers. This is basically just a base Xeno 3 pixel saber. This works for our baselit sabers as well. So what I've done is I have a link on our website where you can download this pack and install it on the SD card in your lightsaber. All of our lightsabers come with an SD card, so I don't do any of the non-SD versions. I want everything to be customizable. You'll be able to change your, your blade stuff, your sound fonts, all that cool stuff. So I just want to go over the menus. So what we did is we spent some time. We used some voice-generated AI stuff along with, maybe some quotes from the movies and stuff like that. And we put together a whole menu system. So there's nothing different about the menu from a base Xeno 3 other than the actual voice pack itself. So when you power your Saber on,
the Saber Workshop,
you're going to get the Saber Workshop announcement. That tells you that the power of your Saber is on. Once you turn it on, it's your typical, does all your cool lightsaber stuff. So what I've done is I've gone through the menus and stuff and made some basic changes just to the sound packs. So I'll give you a rundown. That was the first font that comes with these sabers. That one's called The Chosen. It's an Anakin.
New Horizon.
There's New Horizon.
The Dark Sword. The Assassin. The Knight. The Wanderer. The Protector. The Dark Empress. The Sun. The Third Hunter. The Master. The Dark Lord Order. Fallen Apprentice Magenta. The Princess. The Butcher. Truly Lost. The Wraith. The Senate. Redeemed. Bounty. The Count. Codex of Light. Cyber Terror. Dark Ages. Hatred. Idol. Serenity. The Champion. The Dark Lord Revisited. The Learner. The Second. Whispers of Power. Moonfield. The Father. The Supreme Leader. The Emperor. The Dark Saber. The Bringer of Balance. Do or do not. Hello there. The Padawan. BMF. All the Jedi. Fallen Order. The Chosen.
So that gives you an idea of the voices we've used. I think I put them on because I think they're a bit clearer and you can hear them better than the stock sounds that come from LGT when you buy these. You can just hear things a bit better. Let me give you another example.
Unstable Blade. Rainbow Blade. Candy Blade. Cracked Blade. Pulsing Blade. Flashing Blade. Fire Blade. Steady Blade. Broken Ignition. Photon Ignition. Stack Ignition. Warp Ignition. Phaser Ignition. Scavenger Ignition. Hunter Ignition. Standard mode.
So that's the basic voice pack that we offer to all of our customers. It's downloadable from our website. If you check out the lightsaber sound section, we have them set up in there. You can download this, copy the files to your board. It includes 46 different sound fonts. It's the standard 35 that come, or 34, 34 or 35, can't remember off the top of my head, that come with your standard LGT Saber. And then I have an additional 10 on top of that I've put together from various sounds. I have a Clone War Ahsoka. I have another version of Vader that's, again, has some of the sounds from the Vader sabers in the Clone Wars. The sounds are a little bit different, of course, depending on where you get them from. So now you have a choice. There's the base Ahsoka that comes with the saber, and then you have a Clone Wars version of the Ahsoka. There's a Rey version of the Graflex Saber, which is the one where after her and Kylo's episode 11, whatever the fuck it's called, 9, 10, 11, yeah, the last one. And we got some sounds from that because they were a little bit different than the standard, A New Hope Graflex. So we put a couple of those things together. You got, like I said, you can go to the website, you can download it, you can toss this on your Saber, and then you'll have a truly cool custom menu that I personally feel you can understand a bit better than the sounds that are on the Saber as stock. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us up. Go to the website, thesaberworkshop.com. Check out everything we have. And if you dig us, check us out on social media as well. The Saber Workshop on Facebook and the Saber Workshop on Instagram. Thank you very much, and may the Force be with you.